This is the car shops, the paint shop actually, in Sacramento, where Southern Pacific actually painted. This is the final work they did on the Dome Lounge cars. And you can see I've got the Daylight car, and they were right over there. They had them lifted up. You can almost picture it right now, getting the final touches before they rolled out in 1955 for their first service on the SP.
Okay, you rolling? Oh, beauty. Okay, good
Nice.
day.
Very nice. Good day.
I'm Jason from Rapido Trains Inc. This is my buddy Jordan.
Yeah, I'm also from Reno Trains Inc.
No, you're not.
Where am I from?
Oh, yeah, you are.
Another company?
And holding the camera is Nat. Say hi, Nat.
Hi, Nat.
Very good.
Yeah,
Very good.
she's doing our
George
video
and Gracie,
today.
1932.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, all right, let's roll.
Yeah, we've got our HO scale Southern Pacific Dome lounges.
These are beautiful dome lounges. We've just unboxed all of them.
All of them. Yeah.
And if you get the Amtrak ones, I'm sorry, Amtrak
You're going right to
passengers.
Amtrak?
I'm sorry, but you're not allowed to look up because
Sorry,
Amtrak painted the roof.
That in like 1975.
Well,
but
there you
if
go.
if you're modeling early to mid 70s,
Yeah, but I wasn't alive then, so I couldn't
true.
look up, and I think that's racist. Anyway,
I don't know if we can put that in the video or
we
not.
can, and this is very beautiful.
That's the original.
yeah.
That's the original Daylight. So you got the Daylight scheme.
Okay,
You've got the Overland scheme.
Okay. They want to know important stuff.
Yeah.
We got writing on are those propane tanks?
They are. That's for the air conditioning.
I can't even. No, it's not for the air
It is.
conditioning.
It's for the Waukesha air conditioning system.
Then it's not propane.
Yes, it is.
Really?
The bottles. So the door is open, and there's propane bottles, not on our model, but inside.
No,
is where
we
propane
didn't include the
bottles
propane models.
are. We can't see them.
That's crap.
We included
This is
the
a piece
sink
of
and the bar.
garbage.
You're not doing a very good job of selling these. It's a good thing we're mostly sold out.
Totally being serious now.
Mm-hmm.
These are the most detailed, most beautiful passenger cars
They really are.
we've ever
They really
done.
are.
And that is down to the designer,
Yes.
Bill Schneider.
Bill and our good friend Bob Zank, who has worked with us
Yes,
all the way along.
Bob provided a lot of the information, but Bill actually designed the
He
model.
did. He did.
And so all kidding aside, that's hard for me to do. All kidding aside, amazing work from Bill.
Absolutely.
But the interior, I mean, if you're gonna have that kind of open windows like that, you know, big open, big glass, which is proper Solex tinted, I might add.
Exactly. Yeah.
Then you got to show it off, and the fact that we've got the decoration inside on the walls, the inside handrail, the
drink tables,
drink
and
tables,
ashtrays.
and ashtrays, they're all there.
This is full bar.
This is it's an absolute work of art. It just needs to have some drinks
Exactly.
to go on the
Maybe
drink
some
tables.
passengers.
I thought we were unboxing. Do we want to take a box?
Well, we can. But we already unboxed them all.
Yeah, well,
there's more boxes
This
there.
one's one of your models.
One of mine.
Yeah, so I
I've
got to
gotten
treat it
mine
well. Oh, sorry. Anyway, so we have our New Haven inspired box design. We're changing these, eh?
Yeah, I don't think
We decided to copy the UK company on our boxes.
we
so-
can use that on our next SP car.
Future
This is we just announced this week our Southern Pacific.
We're not.
PCNF
We're not
66
talking about.
B2
We're not talking about
economy baggage cars.
Your
Those are
11-minute
packaging.
talk about economy. Whoa! Drop the sticker.
We're only 2 minutes.
Check
on
this
that.
out. We have
We have new stickers.
Koto Station from Rapido.
Yeah.
Rapido.
You know, you still see these out there, even
I
though the F
know,
units have been gone for 30 years.
My F unit's not been gone. The VHA F unit's still there. We got long shank couplers if you want to go around like a 12-inch radius curve. Everything else will derail, but your couplers won't.
You got some information there.
Oh, right.
You got some info. You got some.
We have the bill of materials.
Oh, it's even in French.
Well, because we have Canadian Pacific.
Is that car ever going to go back?
What? Yeah.
Not that matters.
Anyway,
EOM
you know that was done by our buddy Justin in Calgary.
was. You know,
Yeah.
my Facebook profile photo is in that seat right there.
Really? Oh. Okay, we had to tool new sides for that.
We did. You saw it.
That was expensive. Okay, so here you go. It's in a blister. It's in plastic to protect it, and then this really is your model, so I better be careful with that.
It probably is going to be my model.
Yeah, and then hey, we got this one out already. Well, what did I do this
Well,
for?
because you said you wanted to
Well,
unpack
what?
it.
That was a
Unbox
big,
it.
That was a big waste of time.
Well, I told you, but
Okay.
I don't know. You
All right,
doing his
so
own thing here,
these
so-
are in stores now.
Doesn't take instructions well.
And they're just about sold out. And so get it now. And why is there an E9 on the table?
We've got an E9 because this sample just came in this week. This is our Southern Pacific E9.
Oh,
not an
this
E8.
is from the new run.
This is the new run. The samples just came in.
I didn't,
And,
I didn't
these
realize
are
these had
coming-
come in yet.
This is yeah. They came in when you weren't here.
Oh,
You weren't paying attention. Didn't have your eye on the ball.
these are gorgeous.
They are.
Okay, so thank you for watching our video.
Yeah. Don't forget, these have full lighting, track powered with capacitors. These have
Yeah, you know, he showed
we
that
call them,
already.
low power?
He showed that in the B-roll.
We should- yeah, we got-
You're late to the party.
yeah, the B-roll.
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, I'm taking your models.
But
No, I'm
that's,
taking.
that's the only one.
Yeah, I'm
That's-
taking them. No, they're not for you anymore. They're mine.
All right then. Well,
Take them.
I guess that's it from
Okay.
Rapido headquarters here. Get your Southern Pacific Dome lounges before they sell out. Pre-order your Southern Pacific PC&F economy baggage cars and look for E9s coming late this year.
You done yet? You're in my office.
Lunatics!